Good morning, everyone. How are you? It's a beautiful wintry day here in western Nebraska. We got about an inch of snow last night, so the whole ground is magical and covered with a wonderful light colored snow everywhere, just a thin layer. Anyway, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you today. My Cricut Explorer Air 2 finally got here. I got the everything bundle with it, so it came in 2 different packages, and then I went ahead and I got another little extra piece of vinyl to go with it, a roll, to see how it goes. So I'm really super excited. Let's see what's inside. So this is the first box. This is actually the Cricut Explorer Air 2, as you can see on the side of the box. Woo, yay! So I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera a little closer so you can see what's inside. Alright, so I'm about to open the tape and crack the seal on this baby. This is my Cricut Explorer Air 2 with the Everything bundle. The first package is the Cricut Explorer Air 2. I got it in a lovely shade of lilac. It's packaged really well, I hope. Let's see, it took 10 days to get here. I ordered it on the 31st, and today is the 10th. So we'll see what kind of packaging it's in. Oh, well, it looks like it's a box inside of the box. So we'll just flip it upside down here and let that come right on out. Okay. Oh, and it just opens right on up. It's not sealed or anything, is it? Oh, it is. See, I was wrong. I don't know everything. Got a little piece of tape there. Just a small one. Alright, and inside of it with the machine, I do have a glue cutting mat. This is the, that's the light grip is which one the blue is. That was right on top. I gotta stand up on my chair because I'm not strong enough to lift this out of here. Okay, now I feel a little silly. Okay, so this here is the machine itself. It's packaged with crate. Let's go ahead and unwrap that. It says, keep it looking new. Reuse this bag. So they want you to keep it stored in here to keep looking new so it doesn't get scratched up in your phone. Oh, it is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's not nearly as big, but it's still a nice, good size. It's got the plastic wrap on it. Pull that right off of there. 4 different pieces. It keeps it looking new here. Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful machine. Look at that. It's got some tape here to keep the doors closed so it doesn't get broken. Okay, what else is in our magical box of goodies? I've got cords. Looks like the power cord and a cable to connect it to your computer here. So you've got a power source and a USB cable. Looks like it comes with a pen as well. And of course some silica gel. Do not eat this. I heard it's really good for planting though if you want to put it in your flowers. It helps your garden. Throw it inside of your gun cabinet, something like that, so that you can keep all that bad stuff out of there. Alright, let's see what's in our next box. Go ahead and take this out of the plastic and set it to the side. Oh look, and our marker, it goes in that handy dandy little pen holder there. So that's a nice little surprise that it came with that light grip mat. I did not expect that. I figured that that would be in the Everything bundle. Alright, so I'm not sure. I ordered a roll of black vinyl, so I don't know which box is which. I've got 2 more boxes here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up. Just a little one, so I'm guessing this is probably my roll of vinyl, since the Everything bundle probably has a little bit more than this. Yep, this is my roll of black vinyl that I ordered from them with it as well, the premium bulk. It's a 12 inches by 360 inches of vinyl. And that way I can just get started on making my stuff. I did forget as a newbie that I needed to have a the tape that goes over this. My mind is blank at the time of what it's called. Oh, that's a nice roll of vinyl there. It's not a shiny or anything. I believe I got the matte. So now I'm curious. Oh no, it is the glossy vinyl. So this is our outdoor vinyl, a permanent vinyl that I got. I'm going to leave it in there so it doesn't get ruined while I'm doing this. Alright, so this here is my Everything bundle that came with it. And this as well, it was a package deal, and this I ordered on the 31st as well, and it also took 10 days to get here. Let's turn that so you can see what else in this Everything bundle. Okay, we've got our portable trimmer. It's got a little slide ruler. I've got a packet of pens. Now the one that came with it is black, and these ones I've got a pink, a blue, purple, yellow, and green, it looks like. I did get the basic tool set here. It's got the scissors, a spatula, looks like 2 weeders here, the scraper. So yeah, that's a nice little pack there. Looks like I've got another multi-pack pen set. This one is all black. I don't know if I showed you this first one, so I've got these 2 pen sets here. More packaging. And then it looks like I've got several rolls of vinyl here. These rolls are, oh, this is a multi-pack roll here. This has several different colors in it. You can see it's got green, blue, light blue, navy blue, red, black, and gray is a starter pack here. This roll here is a roll of window cling. That's the roll of window cling. And see, I've been told that they've got different colors here so that you know what they are. That the blue is the vinyl, the orange is the window cling. Looks like it also came with a red window cling. Oh, this is going to be really super awesome living in Nebraska. Black and red, eh? Go Huskers! Woo! The transfer tape. So I did get a little bit of transfer tape with it, but I didn't get enough to go with this roll here, so I'm going to have to order more. That was a bad foresight on my part. But I do have a little bit of transfer tape to get me started. It's got the blue there so that I know that it goes with the vinyl. And then some dry erase vinyl. So I'm really excited for this project here. This is going to be a lot of fun to put on my kids' notebooks and stuff like that so they can draw on them. And I'll put little heart shapes and little text boxes. I'm super excited for this vinyl. Okay, I got a metallic poster board. Looks like it's a multi-pack. It's got several different colors in there. So you've got lots of project ideas on the back of it so that you know what you can do with that. This is Washi sheet designer. I'm not sure what a washi sheet is. I guess I've got a little bit of, looks like scrapbook paper. I wonder if it's adhesive. I've got a little bit of researching to do on my new project here. Yeah, it looks like it's adhesive, so maybe just like sticker paper. Well, that's pretty fun. Oh. And I've got some faux leather. It looks like this is also a sample multi-pack so that I can make some jewelry earrings. You know, you see those jewelries at the store, they're like $14.99 for a little cutout leather earring. They're really super simple to make. And so that's what this is going to be great for, is to make those teardrop earrings. But yeah, I mean, this cost is going to be nothing to make those. And it's going to be super cute to have them. Printable magnet sheets. This is something that I've used in the past with my mom. She used to take and make like Christmas decorations for the fridge. She'd put Santa Claus and Rudolph and stuff and print them out, and we'd cut them out by hand. So I'm really excited to be able to relive that memory there with my mom, even though she's not here anymore. Printable iron-on dark. So you can print on this, you can print your own pictures and what you want to iron on onto your t-shirts, your backpacks, whatever you want to iron on. There's another pack of that, printable iron-on. This is for printable vinyl. So I guess this one's not the iron, but this is the vinyl, so you can make your custom things for printing with and then have it cut out. And printable sticker paper. There's a nice pack of that, 12 sheets in this. Premium fine point blade here for lightweight materials. There's a lot of stuff in here, all sorts of goodies. A scoring stylus. And then we've got the deep point blade plus the housing for it. And then there's a couple more mats in here. I've got a variety pack of mats. Looks like there's a green, a blue, and a purple mat on here. So you've got your light grip, you got your standard grip, and you've got your strong grip. And then that's it. That's what's in here. So that's the everything package with the Cricut Explore Air 2. This is a lot of stuff here, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do with it all. It's going to be an adventure for sure. Let the fun begin.